In this video, I'll show you how to add bots to your Discord server from your mobile device. To get started, open any web browser and search for Discord bots. Tap on the top result, discordbot.gg, where you can find any Discord bot you want. You can search for a specific bot or scroll down the list and add any of the top bots to your server. For example, to add DrankMeme to your server, tap on the bot and then tap on the invite button. Log into your Discord account, select the server and confirm the bot permissions. Scroll down and tap Authorize. And then verify that you are a real human being by completing this. And now that bot has been successfully added to my server. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.